ikaw si ano? Ha? Ikaw yung mag-ano, yung magsasalita, parang si Doraemon. Hindi, kaya mo naman mag-Hanson, no? Sa keyboard, oh. Hindi na. Ayun, oh.
Walking with you on the silent, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world.
Ha?